Today I'm going to explain about the concept of alcoholic fermentation in donuts. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, mash the potato. Let's transfer the mashed potato into another bowl. Add in 2 cups of wheat flour. Now let's add in 1 spoon of milk powder. I'm going to add 1.5 spoon of sugar. Sugar is also known as glucose. Glucose is a simple sugar or monosaccharide. Monosaccharides are made up of one single unit of sugar and cannot be broken down into simpler compounds. Glucose is the main substrate for alcoholic fermentation. Add in salt. Add in half spoon of yeast. Add in 1.5 spoon of butter. I'm going to add 1 egg. Beat the egg well. Now let's add in the beaten egg. Mix it well. Now add in little bit of warm water. Cold water will make the yeast not active while hot water will make the yeast to die. So warm water is a suitable temperature for growth of microorganisms and make the yeast active to carry out alcoholic fermentation. How to determine whether the yeast is working or active? The yeast is active when you can smell the yeast or when you can see the bubble. While mixing it, add in little bit of wheat flour. Mix it well. In another bowl, spread some oil. Add in the dough that we have already prepared. Now, let's cover it with a food wrapper. We are going to leave the dough for 2 hours until the size is double. We cover the dough to limit the oxygen in the bowl so that it can carry out alcoholic fermentation. The dough expands because it carries out alcoholic fermentation. The product of alcoholic fermentation is glucose produces ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. The energy released is 210 kJ. Carbon dioxide makes the dough rise. Now, let's cut the dough. Before you cut it, sprinkle some wheat flour. Now, let's divide them into 6 pieces. Spread little bit of oil and leave the dough for 30 minutes. Let's shape the dough by using a cup. You can also use the donut shaper to make a perfect shape. In a pan, add in oil. Now let's fry the donut. Coat both sides of the donut with sugar. Now we are going to melt the chocolate. The chocolate is now melted. Now let's dip the donut into the chocolate glaze. I'm going to dip another donut into the chocolate glaze and then sprinkle some color ice. Our delicious and tasty 3 types of donut is now ready. Thank you for watching this video.